Welcome to FotoArca, the seamless software designed to effortlessly organize and safeguard your precious photos. Let's look at transferring photos directly from your camera to your connected device. First, start by launching the FotoArca Camera Connect application. Next, connect your camera by either connecting your camera directly using a cable or by using the Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. If your camera is not detected, press the Attempt to Connect to Device button to start the search for device process. Depending on the speed of your device and camera, this may take a few seconds. Once connected, the software will index your camera storage and show you how many photos it has found. Now, simply press the Download from Device button to start the magic. Note that Camera Connect only supports JPEG files. To back up other file formats such as RAW, TIFF, or MP4 and MOV files, you will need to upgrade to the Camera Connect Pro version using the in-app purchase option. Any unsupported files will be ignored and will be shown as finished. Depending on your settings, you will either download all the images on the camera, or only those that fall within the specified date and time parameters. Please watch the video on setting up the application for more information. Once the backup process has finished, you can see your backed up photos by clicking on the link, which will open the folder containing your photos. That is all you need to do to safely back up your camera photos to your mobile device. If you travel with more than one camera, you can connect all your cameras this way and keep all your photos together. Thank you for choosing FotoArca Camera Companion. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.